What happened? Okay, I think you're gonna be okay. Let me see it. Just a little dirt on it. Let me kiss it. Mwah. Feel better? All right. Let's keep going. Let me go get Kaleb. What are you trying to do? Get out. Put your feet up, Kaleb. Good. Here we go. Ready? Go. Whee! Put your feet back up. Ready? Go. Karson. All right, boys, let's go put your helmets on. We're gonna go for a walk around the neighborhood, okay?
But Mom. What do I want in the neighborhood?
You're gonna do your scooter. We'll get some exercise, okay? Karson is a little sleepy. He just woke up from an afternoon nap. He doesn't like to take naps, but when he takes naps, he sleeps too long. You got your helmet? Good job, Kaleb. Karson, can you go get your helmet, please? Good boy. Okay, look. Come here, Kaleb. All right, Kaleb has his helmet on. Are you ready, Kaleb? You ready? All right, go get your bicycle. Go get your tricycle. You gonna get on? Good job. Get on your tricycle. Karson has his helmet. Put your helmet on. Turn it around the other way. It's backwards. Turn it around.
Ow. Ow, that's hurt.
Karson, turn it around this way.
That's hurt.
Why does it hurt? There you go.
Because I didn't want to wear it.
There's nothing in there. You had it on backwards. Now put it on that way. Go put it on your head this way. All right, let me buckle it up. Look up. Let me buckle the strap. You know how to buckle the strap?
I just want this one in there.
You take the strap out. There you go. All right. Good job. Water. We're gonna put some water. So it looks like it's gonna be kind of hot. So see if we can get us some water. We'll eat one of those when we get back. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Kaleb. Oh, Mommy gotta go get the garage opener. I'll put that right there. All right. Hold on, Kaleb. Let me go get the garage opener. Then we're gonna go for a walk.
Okay.
Come back. Kaleb, come back.
Yeah.
Obey. Come on. Kaleb. Okay, we have the garage opener now. Kaleb is going to bring out his tricycle. All right, get on. Karson, go get it. Look both ways. Make sure nobody's coming. You did not look. You got to look the other way, too. All right. Be careful. We got to get down the hill. Right down the garage. Be careful, Karson. Go ahead. Whew. You have to get some exercise. Not yet. We can't race yet. We'll race them when we get back, okay? Psych, we want to race. Go, Kaleb. Go. Go, Caleb. Beat him, Caleb. Go. Go. Woohoo, we beat you. We beat you. Did we beat you?
Wait a minute. You see the dog?
Yes, I hear a dog. Come on, let's keep going. Put your feet up, Caleb. You got your feet up? Okay. Caleb, you gotta learn how to pedal. Karson, don't go too far. Wait for us. We're at the stop sign. Are you looking at the stop sign? No.
Yeah.
Stop sign right there. S-T-O-P. Stop. Stop right there, Karson. And make sure a car is not coming. All right, let's go. The brake in the back. You see that blue thing in the back of your scooter? You're not even listening. Hey, excuse me. Do you see that blue thing in the back?
Yeah.
Right, look at the, right here. You see this? That's how you stop. You put your foot on it. Yep, and then it stops. So you don't have to put your foot out and drag it.
Okay.
Whew, let me put this garage opener in here too. Ooh. All right, let's go. Turn over here, Karson, out of the middle of the street. Thank you. Go to the side. All right, you're going too fast. Wait for us. All right, when I tell you to get over, you have to get over. Wait, stop right here because here come a car. All right, it's going straight. Ready? All right, let's go. Karson, get over here. Don't go in the middle of the street. Stop. You gotta look both ways. All right, go. Oh, here come a car. Stop. Get over to the side. Get over, get over, get over. Good job.
Wait.
You want to race?
Yeah.
All right. Really, on your mark, get set. Go, Caleb, go. Go, go, go. Woo! Caleb. Who won?
Me.
You won?
Yeah.
So, he's a little scary, but he's starting to get the hang of this scooter. But he's already getting too big for his Auntie Shan bought him this for Christmas. Uh-oh, Caleb. Go, 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 go. It's for 3+ years old. Karson is 4 now. And he's very tall, so. Uh-oh, Caleb. All right, stop right there, Karson. Go down to the cul-de-sac so we can take a break. Good, Caleb. You pedaling. Good job. Good job. Good job. He's not even 2 years old yet. And he's riding a tricycle. Because he tried to do everything his brother does. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Caleb? Pedal. See if you can pedal. Push it down. There you go. 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 Keep going. You was doing it. Let me push it a little bit. Go. 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 Good job. Karson, here we come. Stay right there. Go. 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 Push. Come on, you can do it. Push. 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 Go. 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 Go.
I'll go way too.
Go. 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 Push. Good job. Yay. Let's give a bell. Yay. Yay. High five. Pam. Psh. Good job. You don't need a camera. Some nice cold water. Kaleb wants some more. Let him get some, Kaleb, then you can have some. All right, give your brother some. Wait, don't waste it. Kaleb, you're wasting it. Very good. The mommy has some? The mommy has. What happened? Okay, I think you're gonna be okay. Let me see it. Just a little dirt on it. Let me kiss it. Mwah. Feel better? All right. Let's keep going. I'm gonna go get Kaleb. What are you trying to do? Get out. Put your feet up, Kaleb. Good, here we go. Ready? Go. Whee! All right. We are almost at home. Woo. Oh, look, you got some more boxes. That's your bed. Your bed is here. They delivered the bed. We'll let Daddy go get that.
Yay!
So we'll make another video about that. Karson and Kaleb are getting new beds. Kaleb gonna get out of the crib. So we're gonna redo their room. So look out for that video coming up. Woo. This hill.
I love it.
You love the bed? You haven't seen it yet. We'll let Daddy